Online dispute resolution platforms versus court litigation. Which one is better for cross-border contract disputes? Most people assume that international contract disputes always need to go to court. The surprising truth is that online dispute resolution, or other platforms, can be faster, cheaper, and more flexible for cross-border conflicts. Other platforms use technology to facilitate negotiation, mediation, or arbitration entirely online. They are ideal for disputes involving parties in different countries, offering document submission, video hearings, and secure communication without travel. For example, two companies in different continents with a contract disagreement over delivery terms can resolve the issue in weeks through another platform, instead of spending months navigating foreign courts. Court litigation, however, offers formal legal authority and enforceable judgments. It is necessary when parties require binding decisions, when significant financial stakes are involved, or when one side refuses to participate in alternative resolution. Courts can also provide precedent, which may be important for complex legal matters. So which is better for cross-border contract disputes? For smaller disputes, or when speed, cost, and accessibility are priorities, other platforms provide a streamlined, tech-driven solution. Court litigation is necessary for high-value disputes, non-compliant parties, or cases requiring formal enforcement across jurisdictions. The key takeaway is that businesses should evaluate dispute complexity, enforcement needs, and costs before choosing a resolution method. The surprising truth is that Order can handle many international disputes effectively, reducing time, expense, and logistical headaches. Using Order for routine or mid-level disputes while reserving courts for major conflicts offers a balanced, strategic approach to cross-border contract management.